Today we'll see what is a variable in Python. Probably you have seen that we have written in codes like a is equal to 5 or b is equal to 6, something like that. So what are these? We call these variables. So variable is nothing but storing data. You know that in Python programs or codes actually runs right to left. So what is right to left? That if the program will first take 5 and then it will take a. So when we are taking 5, it assures or takes a location in our memory. So we are showing it as a block. So we can write 5 and take another box. Let's say it's 6. So in the memory location, it takes a space and stores the data. These data can be anything. It can be integers, list, or dictionaries. So in order to know the location, we can use the id function. Let's write if we want to know the memory location of a is equal to 5, let's enter. So this is the memory location of our variable, which is 5. In order to know the location of b, we simply copy paste it. So it's a different number. The different variables takes different locations. It will be never the same location. So what is the a and b? A and b doesn't mean that it's the data 5 or 6. We have said that when we write a is equal to 5, the program assures a location in our memory and stores the data, which is 5 and 6, in the location. So and we have seen the location of this block, 2 blocks. So when we are writing a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 6, what we are doing, we are actually assigning these locations to a and b. Point to be noted, we are not assigning 5 and 6 to this a and b. We are actually assigning the locations of 5 and 6 to a and b. So let's say we are writing c is equal to b. What will happen? What will be the location of c? Let's see. Print id c. Guess what? What will be the answer? It's the same location. So what is happening here? We are actually taking the memory location of b and assigning it to c, just copy pasting it. So this is what happens when we write a is equal to 5 or something else. It can be anything, arrays or dictionaries or tuples, anything. So this is the basic core concept of variable. If you understand it, give a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. Thank you.